So if you're like me, you're probably watching this video trying to decide if you even need this water heater cleaner thingy, and the answer for most people is yes, especially if you have an aluminum water heater tank, and I'll show you why and what the inside of my tank looked like before I actually cleaned it. So this comes in pretty simple packaging as you can see here, and there's instructions on the back for how to use it. The wand is made entirely of plastic and it feels really light and sort of flimsy, but this actually turned out to be a good thing and I'll show you why at the end. So using this product is really simple. You attach it to a garden hose, use the side lever to turn it on and off inside your tank, forcing out any buildup. I use the snake cam to record the inside of the tank, and here's what it looked like before. Now keep in mind it's been about 4 years of not cleaning the tank and mostly using it in a location with very hard water. I cleaned this out for probably a good 30 minutes, turning it on and off so the tank doesn't get too full, because if it gets too full, I notice the sediment doesn't come out as much. And here's where the plastic tube actually proved useful. Because I was able to slightly bend it, I was able to reach more places inside my tank that I wouldn't have been able to get to with a rigid tube. One tip I can give you is don't forget to try and get right under the opening and the side furthest away from the opening. I had the hardest time clearing those areas out. So this is what it looked like after about 30 minutes of rinsing. And here's the final part that I liked about this product. As you can see here, the thread from the plug of the water heater scratched the tube as I was turning it and maneuvering it to get all the angles. Now if this was a metal tube, it might have damaged the thread on the actual plug of the water heater. And I'd rather have scratches on this thing than the actual water tank. All in all, pretty good product and it did exactly what I needed it to.